What's going on, everybody? Dalton's Garage, and here comes a quick little tip video here for you if you're working on the Honda Big Red 250 ES's. We're currently swapping out the steering stem bearings here with the All Balls racing bearing set. We got the set with the 2 extra washers in it, and you can see on the little instruction thing here it shows you how to install them. And this is a 86 Honda Big Red 250 ES. One big problem we were having here is this is called a crown race ring. It sits on the bottom of the steering shaft, and that was pretty pressed on there. There was actually this real thin washer there, and they were both right there on the bottom of that, and that's called a crown race ring. Take that off by using some screwdrivers and a hammer, and slowly get it on one side and go to the other. Don't try to work it up too far on one side or it'll get binded because it was pressed on. And then that's where your thickest washer goes in this set. This is the 221029. That's the part number. Your biggest washer sits down here. You have 2 bearings, 2 seals, and then the 2 washers like I spoke about. And one of the bearings is smaller on the inner diameter than the other. This is the bigger one, or no, this is the bigger one. This is the bigger seal. Smaller seal, smaller bearing. You can line them up like that and check it out. This is the smaller, thinner washer, and that one goes on top with your spanner nut and whatnot. And this is the bottom one here. These are the new style bearing upgrade here. Get that there. And this, and we'll have to get that pressed down on there a little ways using a screwdriver to tap the center ring there, not the one spinning on the outside, but you want to hit the center one. And this here will go together on the top with your spanner nut. Make sure you have everything taken out of there so it won't get in the way of the bearings. And that's about it. Just a little tip video explaining the crown ring. Alrighty, got some tires coming on the way. Don't look like much, but we'll get them tires on there. Thanks for watching. Dalton's Garage signing out until next time. Got anything to say? Nope. Alright, well, we're going back to work.